Welcome back. You will see in today's video one of our log trucks loading up pine pulpwood. This all goes to the paper mill, gets ground up to make paper out of. In Wisconsin, you're only allowed to be 8'6" wide going down the road. So you'll notice every other bucket that the truck driver actually will take the bucket and cap the wood straight and to get his load nice and straight and legal to go down the road. Here you will see the truck driver pick up one individual stick that got spit out of the processor too long, and Kenny grabs a saw, cuts off about 2 feet of that stick just to make sure that it fits on the load decent. Here you'll see the driver spin the loader around to the exact correct position. He's got a full load on. And right here, he steps off the loader. And the pockets, the stake pockets up in front, hold his chains. So he's gonna pull the chains out, get them underneath the loader, and then we'll watch how he throws them off the back. By using the loader, he's able to pull all of the slack out of the chains and get them nice and tight across the top of the load. You'll see here where he grabs the chain a second time, pulls the rest of the slack, pulls it tight, and drops it off the end.
What's that?
They say according to my gauges, it wouldn't even get 98.
So you're light.
Yeah.
So this truck here rolled out of here with 14.1 cords on it. It was all stick scaled, so we got paid for every stick we cut. In Wisconsin, we are legal with 6 axles for 98,000 pounds going down the road. So he was way light when he left the job. Later in the day, we loaded this truck. Put a nice load of bolts for the pallet mill on this truck. As you can see, if you look closely in the window, the driver's got his little sidekick with him, and he wanted to wave to the camera. So nice load of saw bolts going out. This truck had 14 and a half cords, I believe, on it, if I remember right. All going for pallet lumber. Stay tuned for more logging videos. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.